You might be on drugs or something, which you shouldn't do.
Hi, this question is to both of you all. We are at a bookstore, and if I ask you, is there any book or by an author? Hello, we have you both have read, and you would want it to be adapted into a film, and you would want to play that particular character. If you've come across or read any book,
I haven't, but we're constantly on the lookout, and we are reading. I mean, it's not. I think that the quality of writing in movies could benefit a lot if all the talent in India was focused towards writing us good screenplays or giving us books that we could adapt. I think it's starting to happen. It will happen in the future. Somebody in the elevator yesterday in my building gave me a book they'd written, and they said that it's kind of a story that they're looking to get made into a screenplay. I think our very best writers, like a lot of our talent, is kind of looking abroad. Still, it would be nice if they were looking at us also.
but there's no character or a book which is stuck in your head that
There's
maybe
many books and characters, but not many of them have been Indian.
Okay.
There have been some, but that amazing screenplay or that really good idea is difficult to come by.
Ileana, anything about?
I'm not a very excessive reader. I think the last time I read a book was maybe a year ago, because I think I've gotten into very intense books now, and I mean the one that I read last was called Norwegian Wood, and it was just really, really deep, and I wouldn't possibly imagine that being adapted. I think it's too complex a story to put into just one film, So I don't know. It's pretty. The beauty of books, I think, should stay in books. It's very, very hard to adapt a book, onto screen and have it be just as good as the book, the movie. So I like the beauty of just books and getting lost in the pages, really. Yeah.
Thank you.
But thank you very much, everyone. We can take one last question if there is any one last question. All right then.
Sir, yeah. Hello, sir. Sir, like you said that being an author is not an easy job. So when the role was being an author to write a story is not an easy job. It requires a lot of thought process, like you said. So, sir, when the role was offered to you, what was the reaction? How did you prepare yourself for this role to get under the skin of an author?
Of being a writer?
Yeah.
It's great. I just grew my hair long. I didn't shave. I stayed home. I wore underwear and loose T-shirts and ate a lot of popcorn and, sort of drank some whiskey and didn't sleep at night.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, everyone, for your questions.
And some little writing, of course.
Well, before we move on, we know both of you are voracious readers, and we have a special something for you on behalf of Crossword. Dan Brown was recently here, and he signed copies of his new book for us, which we would like to present to both of you. Thank you very much. Here you go, Seth. That's your copy. That one's for you. And they're excited already. I can see Seth's excited. He's just checking.
But I want to...
And we're going to... Yes, right there.
Where?
No, it's very much real, Seth. We can vouch for it. All right, and on that note, thank you very much, all of you. A big thank you to the Happy Ending team. Thanks, Seth. Thanks, Ileana. All the very best with the movie. Before we end, our team at Crossword would like a picture with both of you, followed by photo ops for everybody. So I request the Crossword team to please come forward, followed by photo ops to the media, print and electronic. Please don't forget the...
Please don't forget catch the photo. Thank you. Don't forget to catch Happy Ending at a theatre closest to you November 21st. Thank you very much. And the crowd shows Happy Ending's book is also available right here at Crossword. Thank you.
It's like breakfast, lunch, and dinner or something. Yeah. So then what? Okay.
Okay, done. Thank you.
Thank you, boss. Yes, one Yes, later. Priya, I'm looking at books now.
Chalo, later.
1 minute. You didn't mean me that. 2 seconds now, yaar. Now, peace, respect. 2 minutes. Come with me if you want. Come with me. Look at books and then I'll give you an order. No, I'm not looking at you now.
On that Mahabharata quiz that you just saw.
Yeah, I would like that actually.
Mahabharata quiz, Mahabharata quiz. The first one also. There's the second one actually.
Take out a nice Hulk one, a simple Hulk one for me.
Even this is there. This one also.
This is Son of Hulk.
This one. This is the one that
Yeah, this one.
I guess even this one.
We got a good.
Manoj, Jaya.
It's easy to read.
Jaya.
It's a nice version to it's a very easy good version of Mahabharata.
I want a nice version. I don't want a baby version, I want a proper version. This is a baby version. It is a baby version. I don't want this written for people. This is like Pandavas received an invitation from the Kauravas to come to Hastinapura. I want a proper writing, Penguin Classic.
You have the whole
Yeah, Penguin Classic translation. I'm telling you now, you're saying no. As though you know it. Sentences that start with some are not for adults. This is written for children. See it. That's just the story. No. I have it. I'll read it one day. See? It's such an unreasonable request when I'm in the middle of something.
Yeah, sorry. Listen.
See, I'm doing something. In a minute. Everyone should have a sense of
Selfie.
what's going on.
Timing.
Should be called a selfish.
Selfish.
Sir, एक बुक पढ़ो straight.
वो बहुत नकली हो जाता है ना